and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Snow forecast as map shows -4 degrees Celsius, Scandinavian freeze unleashing 96 hours of blizzards in United Kingdom. An ominous Scandinavian freeze is set to unleash 96 hours of the blizzards across the United Kingdom as the new dramatic weather map sparked fresh February snow fears. The Met Office said that the high pressure system is on the way, which means cold conditions are to set in, with the temperatures falling by the end of the week. This follows low pressure bringing the return to the wet and windy weather we have seen. But these dramatic new wxcharts.com weather maps give an alarming insight into the powerful new Scandinavian blizzards swooping in from the north next week. And they send the alarm bells for 4-day worth of fresh snowstorms sweeping in, with the temperatures also set to plunge into the icy region of -3 degrees Celsius. Met Office Chief Meteorologist warned, it's worth being aware of that despite a largely pleasant week ahead, there is a good chance the United Kingdom will experience a dip in the temperatures at the weekend and into the next week. He explained, high pressure is set to move in, bringing along with it easterly winds, low pressure temperatures and increasing risk of wintry hazards like snow and ice. Weather forecast Exacta weather is also seeing colder weather and snow heading towards the middle of the February. In and around February 8 to 15 could then bring that cold easterly and northerly and multiple widespread snow events for large parts of the country. So overall, confidence is currently moderate and increasing to much higher levels for those expected weather developments to bring widespread snow and notable cold weather to United Kingdom. The start of the January saw thick snow blanketing swaths of the United Kingdom, stopping students from returning to their classroom after the Christmas holiday and causing commuter chaos. It came at the same time as the horrific flooding left many families washed out of their homes over the New Year. On Saturday 11th January, temperatures in the hamlet in the northern Scotland dropped to -18.9 degrees Celsius. It is the coldest January overnight temperatures since 2010, when they dropped below -15 degrees Celsius several times at the locations across the United Kingdom, including -22.3 degrees Celsius on 8th January 2010 in Altanhara. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.